Welcome to the future of security, where innovation meets protection. Introducing our cutting-edge theft detection system, a revolutionary solution that empowers shop and retail mart owners to safeguard their SKUs like never before. Watch as our system identifies a shoplifter in real time. When an SKU item is placed in a personal bag instead of a trolley basket, the system springs into action. The shoplifter is immediately tagged and tracked, ensuring continuous monitoring until they are out of sight. A detailed notification is sent instantly to the mart owner via WhatsApp, providing critical information about the incident, including the time and location. Protect your retail businesses and marts with our cutting-edge theft detection system.